Hello everyone, today we will create an maven project with openui5 and build it and run. So I have already prepared a template, but I would like to show you how to create such template, such project in IDEA. So click File, New Project, then click MVN, select Project SDK, click Next, set Group ID, Artifact ID. I have already created project, so I just show you what you need to fill. Then click some name of project and location of your project, and then click finish. So here you can see the structure of maven project. Click on src main, then create the folder JavaScript. If you run maven clean install, you have already have some built application, for example, on your server, and then you can run HTML file on server, so you don't need to press gulp dev or something else. So create JavaScript, then create, I usually use this directory function. Inside of this function it will be all controllers and views, and also tests if you want. So for now this empty folder. Here I have existed XML views and here controller. So next, this is resource folder. It would be appeared after bover install command. This is the style folder. We can consider it later. This is our index.html file. And here the new files for you. It is manifest.json. In this file we described as a version of openui5, type devices, support themes, the main view, and the routing. The main aim of this file it is that if we write here routes, name of routes, and describe our target's views, so we can navigate between pages using model and save data and transit data between views. Our next file it is bover.json. It contains our libraries which will be downloaded, keywords, author, and ignored files. You can write it from here, so it is you will have the analogical file. The current version is 1.40.10. It is important to use the latest version. In gulp file we have different tasks. So this is task clean. If you don't have such plugin, for example del, you just need to run npm install del and -g. This is task src. We copy resources to destination directory, also to temporary directory and to the dev directory. And is the last and important task. It is watch, opened and cleaned. The watch task is bind all JS files and watch for it. Open task is open HTML file on some servlet and give them set it port. So by default port is 8000. In package.json we describe our project name, version, description and dependencies. As a POM file is standard, so we can try to run our project. So now try to install all dependencies. So we type bower install and we need to install all installed libraries from this dependency. Here is installation. And in my view I used the navigation list from SAP TNT library. Here it is. And if you can see, in this dependency I didn't write download me please as SAP TNT library. So after building my project I expected that our debugger in Chrome said that navigation list is not defined. So we can see it later. And then gulp dev. And you can see here in gulp file we have gulp dev task which perform clean, copy resources to the directory, open and watch. So here we have local error npm install. So just do it. npm install gulp. Instead of gulp dev, we can consequently run gulp clean, gulp copy UI5 res, gulp copy res to dev, gulp open, and finally gulp watch. It is the same like to run this one task. So here we have installed gulp and try gulp dev now. And if some plugins is not available, we just try to install it. Now we have no gulp load plugins, so type npm install gulp load plugins. Load plugins. And then still wait. Okay, we install it and then try again. Gulp dev. Here we have that cannot find module run sequence. Try install it. npm install run sequence. Sequence, yes. Okay, we have it installed and then again gulp dev. Again. This is what I said, the dev task. Where it is? Yes, here is this plugins dev. And here we cannot find it, so let's try to install it. npm install del. Okay, then do it again. Okay, we go. We run some steps, but it is also absence for gulp copy plugin. npm install gulp copy. I think finally we can run it. No, again something. Okay, gulp server live reload. npm install gulp server live reload. Am I correct? Live reload. Yes. Copy resources to dev. Open watch. Finally. Now this task is creating. So on port 8000 we can run our project. This is the main template which I created, and here we cannot perform login because we cannot find SAP TNT navigation list. One of the solutions add this dependency to both install, or we can just download from official site openui5 SDK. Then I go to downloads. This is openui5 SDK. I go to resources directory and I want to find this SAP TNT. So I just copy this full folder and put it to our project. SLC main JavaScript, and here is folder with resources. I go to SAP folder and paste it with replacing. And now let's try again. This is debugging mode. We attach here in this project in index.html SAP UI core DBG. It means we run our project in debug mode. So these errors said us some library is absence, but it is okay. And here we have the project, and this is the TNT navigation links. If I click here, type something and press enter, I pass it here. So it's like some chatter. Thank you.